my material science degree, I think a lot about what it has meant to earn this degree over the last 4 years. I often joke that sometimes the degree feels somewhat undeserved, since I felt like the grades I received in my classes were attributed only to luck. Lucky to have had such positive interactions with other students during classes and study sessions, and lucky to have had professor support in office hours. This degree is not in fact luck, because it purposefully taught me that seeking help is essential for success. Every difficult class and nearly impossible problem set taught me that no one can do it alone. This engineering degree is mine, but it is also a representation of the help I received along the way. Every professor I learned from and friends I made along the way is a part of this degree. It was not an innate intelligence that carried me to where I am now. By even making it to Michigan, I and all of you have already proven that we have this quality. However, by making it to this point and receiving this degree, we have shown that we are not afraid to feel stupid, fail in order to learn, and then pivot. We were not afraid to accept feedback and rejection, take it, and learn from it. This skill is representative of a mindset of growth that we all share. We have proven we are resourceful and resilient, and that we understand failure to be a part of the learning process, and that we must ask others for help. This is what makes us leaders and best, with the ability to solve any problem we encounter because of both the interpersonal and technical skills we have acquired. We also learned to navigate our own independence. We managed our own time and schedules, and we had to be proactive to get involved in clubs, choose a major, and find jobs, internships, and research opportunities. We learned when to prioritize ourselves in order to maintain our paths, which has led us to this moment in our lives. It may not have felt like everything was going to be all right, but in the end, everything worked itself out. Moving forward in the face of doubt is a sign reflective of being successful, something that we have consistently done in our academic careers. As graduated adults, we won't have these well-defined days to celebrate success like we do now. Success will look different than achieving a grade on an assignment or earning a diploma, but the activation and mobility we have employed here at Michigan is proof that we can make progress towards whatever success looks like for our futures. Independence is not about being able to succeed alone, but about making self-empowered action, of which asking others for help is a crucial part of. On days like today, it is important to think about everything that you once wished to accomplish that you have now. I know many of us are prone to continuously push for the next best thing, often forgetting the progress that we have made up to that point. It is not the achievement itself that dictates success, but the distance we have traveled from where we started. I want you to consider the things that you have done that at one point felt impossible. For me, this was finishing a research paper, getting an A in thermo, finding a job that I'm actually excited for, and getting out of the COVID slump. I have learned the ability to move within my own values and understand how to filter feedback, leading to growth much more valuable than simply earning a degree. I've learned that fearlessly putting yourself out into the world, creating more, applying yourself, and trying more all lead to receiving results reflective of the effort that you put in. If you keep putting in the work, eventually you will receive something in return. Something will be learned from your actions and experiences, even if you don't know you need it at the time. This is what it means to be an engineer, to cultivate this mindset of self-empowered action. One of the things that has impressed me the most about the material science and engineering students at the University of Michigan is that everyone has that it factor. Everyone has the intelligence to make it through admissions, but everyone has something else that makes them unique from their peers. An incredible athlete, a well-connected communicator, a journalist or a photographer, all of these people have their own non-engineering specific skills that make them incredibly unique. Not only is every single person unique, but they are also willing to learn from each other to better themselves. This school has truly developed a culture of camaraderie, which is what pushes us all to excellence. It is why I am so proud of this degree. I get the opportunity to associate myself with this wonderful community. I got to learn from all of you and share myself along the way. I'm so proud of you all and feel so honored to graduate with such a dynamic community of individuals. Thank you, and forever go blue.